It finished. That water is absolutely vile and disgusting. I don't know if you can see how dirty it is and how much, I don't know, chunks of stuff is in there.
I purchased this model for a number of reasons. First of all, it's at 45,000 kilohertz. 60,000 could be too much and damage appliances. 30,000 can be not strong enough. So I really like that it is the 45,000. Love that it's one-touch operation. You turn it on. Level 1 is an auto 3-minute runtime and auto shuts off. You can level up higher. Level 3 is a 10-minute runtime and auto shuts off. It goes up to level 5 and back down. Secondly, I like that the UV light only activates when the lid is on properly. So right now you do not see the purple light running even though the machine is on. But once I place the lid on properly, you see that purple light 360 degrees around. That's your UV light that provides the second layer of cleaning in addition to the cavitation vapor-filled bubbles coming from the bottom. I really like this doesn't take up much space on our counter at all. It's about 4 by 6 inches and it's about 4 inches tall. It's so easy to just get water out of the sink, or you can do filtered if you prefer, and you can only fill it up to that max line that's here. So you know that you're not going to damage the machine. Then you simply drop in the retainers one at a time. They sit on, you put the lid, and then you turn the machine on. I'm just going to do level 1 at the lowest setting. It'll run through 3 minutes, auto shut off, and then I'll come back and I will show the finished result. Okay, auto shut off just finished. I'm going to remove it. It does come with these tweezers to remove things. Pulling it out. I can definitely see some little chunks on the bottom. And then, let's see if I can get it. I am not seeing any of that white residue at all. That is awesome. So I would say, as far as what I was hoping for it to accomplish, getting rid of the white residue that we weren't really able to get out with our toothbrush, I am not seeing any of that left over. So it works. Yay. Realized how great it worked, and I realized it also worked for jewelry. I decided to give my rings a try. So here's going to be the before. I think the results speak for themselves. This is a no-brainer. It did a fantastic job and no work for me. If you're on the fence, I think this is a winner. And if this is helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.